Hello friends, a very warm welcome to our channel. In today's video we are going to discuss a very powerful spell that you can perform while taking your bath. Right? You need not to go anywhere, need not to meditate, need not to do anything which is quite impossible. You just make a routine for you are taking a bath, you are going to chant it. And believe me, once the chant is over, you have chant this spell 3 times with her name, she will be completely mad for you, will not be able to resist you anytime. She will be completely loyal to you, faithful to you. Whatever you would say, he or she is going to do. It's not any gender specific. You can do it anytime, anywhere, wherever you feel comfortable. So what you need to do before getting into this video, I am going to give you certain instructions. These are the instructions which are there on your front screen right now. The first one is that the water with which you are going to have the bath, it has to be a mild water. It cannot be too cold, it cannot be too hot. It has to be mild one. When you are taking the bath, you are going to mix 2 almonds and little bit of coconut oil so that the water which you are going to put over your body gets energized. Right? Mild water, 2 almonds and little bit of coconut water. And while taking bath, you are going to massage your throat as well. Right? Now how you are going to do it, when you are going to do it, and how you will be doing it. On any particular day, once you have started this spell process, these are the 2 fingers of your right hand, right? Now you will, this is the French spell which you are going to use, Amour, Amour, et moi indéfini, right? You will first of all mix 2 almonds and the coconut oil in your bucket, in your tub, or even you can put in your mug while taking the bath, or you can mix them and put it over your body. Once you have done this, you will chant this spell which is there on your screen right now. Amour, Amour, et moi indéfini. With these 2 fingers, you are going to massage your throat like this 3 times. Right? Once you have done it, again you will read it. Amour, Amour, et moi indéfini. Then again 3 times. Again you will read it and again 3 times massage on your throat. And you have to think about the target person. You are going to do it for continuously 21 days. If you have done it for continuously 21 days, your partner will be completely in control with you. He or she will not be able to resist you. Whatever you would say, he or she is going to do. Whatever you will think, he or she will automatically understand and will follow that. I request all of my viewers that please do not try to take advantage of such a wonderful and easy method. Because if you are going to use it on a wrong purpose or for a wrong purpose, I am quite afraid that these things are going to hit back you one day. If your love is genuine, you are positive, if you don't want the results, if you want to get the undivided attention of your partner, you want that I should be the only person who should be in his or her life, then you can use this spell. It is too powerful. If you still have any doubt or you want to know anything else, you can call us on the number which is there on your screen, or if you need any kind of a help, you can drop a message as well. I would request every one of you that please do not forget to comment your success story on the comment box, so that people should understand how powerful it is and how effective it is. Till that moment, take care. God bless you. Bye bye.